If you don't like boring study sessions but still want top scores, then join Educatus for a game-changing experience. At Educatus, we know you're aiming high, and we're here to make sure you hit your target. Our comprehensive coaching program covers every angle: math, reading, writing, and science. Our expert instructors break down each section, so you understand exactly what to expect. We start with diagnostic assessments to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses. With this personalized approach, we tailor your study plan just for you. Interactive lectures, practice tests, one-on-one tutoring, it's all in the mix. You'll master time management, ace test-taking strategies, and sharpen critical thinking skills. Plus, with regular feedback and progress tracking, you're always on the path to improvement. With Educatus, watch your scores soar and unlock doors to prestigious universities. Ready to achieve your highest potential? Join us at Educatus and make your college dreams a reality.